Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp status. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm opening it and click on the Reels icon. First time select a Reels and tap on the three dot. Click on here and tap on the share icon. Select WhatsApp and select my status. Click on the arrow icon and now finally tap on this icon. Then easily share Instagram Reels on my WhatsApp story. So that's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial Diva channel for more video.